Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and are you a plant parent like me? Well, if you are, you're gonna love this Cute Farms Tillandsia air plant fertilizer. As you can see, I love air plants. Now, whether you water them once a week in a bath or mist them with water every couple days, you're gonna need an air plant fertilizer. I love this one because of how compact it is. You know, if I leave it on the counter or on a coffee table or the mantle, it's not going to be an eyesore. But I also love that there's a safety feature on this bottle. If it's locked into place, it's not going to allow you to mist anything, which I think is a really neat safety feature. And if you want to use it and unlock it, then you're able to see just how fine that mist is. Look at that. And it's just the perfect amount so that you're not drenching your floors or your walls or the counter even, but it allows your plant to get the food it needs. So if you're looking for an air plant fertilizer and you want to make sure your plants are getting the nutrients it needs, I would recommend Cute Farms. But that's just my point of view.